beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am unboxing and trying on our BoxyCharm base box for the month of October 2022. BoxyCharm offers this box here for a monthly subscription of $27.99 plus tax based on where you live at. And you get 5 full-size products in here. It can be skincare or makeup. You do get to pick one of your selections for the box, and the rest is picked by BoxyCharm. In this box, every month there's a different theme, so we'll get into today's theme. I have tried on every product in this box today, and we'll be reviewing it for you and sharing my opinion of what I think about the products in here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you enjoy different subscription boxes as well as you're a handbag lover like myself, please feel free to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It'll help you stay to date with me on all my latest unboxings as well as hauls on my handbags. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. It will really help my small channel here on YouTube. And hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think about today's box. But without further delay, guys, let's get right into this BoxyCharm base box with no further delays, alright? So guys, you get it. It comes in the box that you see here. And when you open it, this is generally what you see. So this is your sneak peek of what's in my box. And guys, every month they do give us a little card here. It lets us know what the products are on the back that's in our box. And generally there's some kind of theme every month for the boxes that they send out. So this one here says everyone will be under your spell, and it just says BoxyCharm, so I'm assuming that's probably the theme for the month. And on the back we have our products along with the prices listed on the back with a little bit of information in regards to what the products are that's in your box. So we're going to get right into it. So the first product I'm going to pull out, guys, it's going to be an Earth Harbor product. I am familiar with this brand. I've received quite a few things from them in the past. This is the Earth Harbor Naturals Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. This has a value of $45. And I'm going to pop it out the box here so you guys can see it. And here we are. It reminds me of the one we got last month. I think that was like Cloud or something like that. It has like the same kind of consistency to me. So on this one here it says get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with 8 juicy botanical hydrators, including 3 molecular weights of plant-based hyaluronic acid for effectively firming every layer of the skin. So I did try this on. You guys are probably watching it now. It's just a serum. We don't know whether or not any of the skincare stuff works until you're using a product for quite some time. It went on. It felt a little tacky after you start spreading it on your face, and I just did a few drops of it, but it went on and it seems okay. So I guess we'll keep using it and see how this product works out for us in the end. But it seems okay. So I don't have much to say because we don't really have any time frame to really review it other than just trying it on. So that was the first product that we tried to start off this box here. So let's hit up our next product here. So the next thing I'm going to pull out, guys, you're not going to believe this one. This one is Symbiose London. Now, I've heard of this before, but I've never purchased any of their products. So this will be my first time trying this one out. So this product here is a depuffing and dark circle relief eye serum. You're not going to believe the price tag. This little tube right here, $127. Yes, this won't be purchasing this again. The only time I'll have this again is if BoxyCharm sends it to me. Wow, that's a lot of money for this small little tube. So to me, it better bring what it says it's going to do. I did go ahead and try this on as well, and I'm showing you guys now. It was kind of clear. The product went on, like a eye cream. You don't need a lot of it. You just need like a little, not even a pea-sized drop, half of a pea-sized drop to kind of put around your eyes, and you just want to be delicate as you're doing so. But it says it depuffs and helps with dark circle relief. So I guess over time we can see if this product also works as well. the information we received on this product here is that this weightless high potency eye serum aims to soothe and renew fatigued eyes that have been marked by puffiness and dark circles, resulting in a calmer, rejuvenated eye area. So I put it on. I mean, I don't know. I didn't notice anything. Let me know what you guys thought after I put it on. I ain't see any difference, but that's just me. So maybe this is something that works over a period of time, but I didn't see anything like that happen right away that I noticed with using this product. So that's just, you know, what I observed. So if you've seen anything different and you've seen some kind of improvement, hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you saw, because I ain't see anything. So we'll move on to our next product. So guys, the next product that we have is a eye base, and this is by the Beauty Crop. So this is my first time trying out any of the Beauty Crop's products. I have not used any of them before. So this is an eye primer. We all know how this works. I'm showing you guys me using it, but this product here has an $18 value. So the information we have here is: the soft and creamy primer makes your eyeshadow go so much further. It looks in color and prevents pigment from creasing, smudging, or fading. This universal eye primer is buildable and slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigments really pop, and is held in place throughout the day. This formula is enriched with pomegranate seeds and grape oil to keep its lids smooth and moisturized. And again, this is an $18 product. I put a little bit of this on my brush, one of my eyeshadow brushes, one of the flat ones, and kind of put it on. And you don't need a lot. You could kind of move it around and make sure that it's pretty evenly distributed on your eyelids. And I did let it sit for probably about a minute or so before I actually went in with the eyeshadow to start putting it on. I didn't have any real complaints. So you know, it's a win for me. I like having a good eye base. So anything that makes your eyeshadow pop and stays on, and you know, it's not making it look like, you know, you don't have anything on after a couple of hours because it's done fading into your skin. So eye bases and eye primers are really, really good for that purpose. So if you don't use it, try using an eye base. It will help to keep your eyeshadow on your lids a lot longer, and you'll have a nice look throughout the rest of the day. So I was pleased with this one, so this is a plus. So guys, this brings us to the fourth item in our box. So we did get a Ciate palette, an eyeshadow palette, and it's the Spice palette by Ciate London. This one has a $38 value. This is a highly blendable pigmented metallics and mattes that work seamlessly with neutrals, mattes, and add an epic spice to any makeup look. So out of this palette, guys, I did use 3 of the eyeshadows. So I have that up on the screen for you, and I'm showing you which ones I used. And this palette, it wasn't bad to work with it. Actually, all the formulas kind of went on pretty smooth. It does have a mirror. I'm actually going to just cover that up to show you guys the eye palette. The only thing I would say is that this does have a little bit of fallback, so make sure you're tapping your brush off as you're applying it, so you don't have too much on there and have any, like, you know, fall out while you're doing your eyeshadow. But I think everything kind of blended out really nicely. The formulas worked very well. I used 3 of the shades in here. I used the shade Cranberry as my base, and then I use Warm Spice to go into my inner corners and blend out. And then I put Apple Pie on my lids from the inner corner to the mid and blended that out. So I thought these came out really nice. The colors are, you could use these colors for anything. Like, you could create whatever kind of look. You don't have to add as many shadows as me, and you can go ahead and kind of figure out what basically is going to work for you. But I thought this was a nice palette. Nothing, you know, I like all the blingy metallics. That's me. That's the type of stuff I like. I like things that pop. I don't like too many mattes because, I don't know, it just depends on your look. Like, if you're going in the office, I think a matte is great because you don't want to be on team too much. But On the weekend, sis needs some pop of color, so I definitely need something. So I think these are beautiful eye colors for fall, and you can do a lot with them and wear them alone, or actually stack them up and build a really nice look. So I thought this was a nice palette. And we have one more item in this box, guys, and that is the Pure Mascara here. And this is Fully Charged is the name of this mascara. Let me pop her out and show you. And on the screen, you guys can see me using this. So the verbiage that we received with this Pure Fully Charged mascara, it says that the mascara is powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for an unparalleled performance. And this is valued at $22, guys. I used this and I felt like I had to go over with a couple of coats, probably like 3 coats on this one. I still don't think it looks as full as I probably would like. I think it's a decent mascara for you to definitely use. How dramatic you want your eyes to look, if like you're really wanting your lashes to pop, you may need to put a couple of coats to this on. I don't feel like it was super thick in terms of trying to define the lashes really quick. I felt like you had to keep going over them a few times before I got a desired look that I was happy with. But you know, that's how it worked out for me. If you guys have used this product, let me know how it works out for you. It does not say anywhere on here that it's waterproof, which I have a problem with. It says on here it's vegan friendly and gluten free. Well, I'm not eating this, so I don't need it to be gluten free, and I don't really care. But I love a good waterproof mascara because I'm somebody that throughout the day I have allergies and my eyes be tearing up. And I don't want to be out and I feel like I end up with like the whole raccoon situation because this stuff has melted off. So I'm a little uneasy about that part. So that would be my concern with this mascara, is that it's not waterproof. So guys, in review, in this box we received the Pure Mascara here, the Fully Charged Mascara. We received the Ciate London Spice Palette. We received the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Base Eye Primer. And in regards to our skincare, we received the Symbiose London eye cream, and we received the Herb Harbor Celestine serum for your face. So overall, I would say this is probably like a okay box. Anything really blowing me away? Not necessarily. There's things that I like. I do like Herb Harbor products. So I'm always happy to have them. I did enjoy this base with the Beauty Crop, so I thought that was great. And I also did enjoy the Ciate London palette. I thought the mascara worked okay. And I thought, you know, the eye cream, I guess I'll have to see over time if this really works. But $127, really? For eye cream? Really? Hard to believe. But guys, let me know in the comments what you thought about today's video and the products that we had in here. And was there anything in this box that you were really feeling? I mean, it was just okay to me. I'm not blown away at all. But you know, let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this month's box for October, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye.